Germany for treatment. Germany says he was poisoned with a nerve agent developed by the Soviet Union several decades ago. Now, Russia is denying involvement in this. It said it's seen, in fact, no evidence that a crime was committed. But Western countries, including Germany, or led by Germany certainly, are pressing the Russians to investigate this properly and get to the bottom of either who ordered this attack, or if it wasn't anything to do with the Russian state, how on earth is this nerve agent known as Novichok, how was it able to be loose, and was somebody able to get hold of it to attack this man? But Alexei Navalny has been giving updates on his condition. He uses Instagram a lot, and he's been detailing the sort of things that he can do and can't do. And he says that, you know, he's still trying to get his brain to work again fully. So there's certain things he struggles with. You know, he says he's still trying to learn to stand on one leg again. He's still trying to regain control over his fingers. He can't use a phone properly. He can't pour a glass of water. But at the same time, he can walk around. And to confirm the news that he was out of the hospital, he has released a photo of himself sitting on a park bench, we think in Berlin. His spokesperson says that ultimately, when he's fit enough, he intends to go back to Russia.
Wow. Simon Owen from Fox News. Simon, thank you so much for the update. Sounds like something out of a Bond movie, doesn't it? President Trump thinks the presidential election could end up in the hands of the U.S. Supreme Court justices. Trump hosted a roundtable discussion with several state attorneys in general, saying it's important that the High Court have 9 justices. Right now, only 8, of course, after Friday's passing of the veteran Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Trump's expected to nominate a conservative woman to replace the liberal Ginsburg. His announcement's coming up 5 p.m. Eastern Time on Saturday. If that nominee is confirmed by the Senate before the election, Trump will have chosen 3 of the 9 justices who are sitting. And it would seem that Trump is ready to slug out the election, too. Yesterday, he was pressed by one reporter. President Trump thinking the presidential election could end up in the hands of the Supreme Court justice.
Control of your income. Our company started in Norwich, Connecticut in
Ourselves a party.
Never stop the music.
Holding a beer.
Ontario, Canada. Still turns the ball.
That's right here in store.
During a
information under Java.
See for yourself. Looking Scarpetti for Squeeze.com. Juice cleanse. Yes, I was a little skeptical when we heard about this.
Sure.
I'm not the healthiest person in the world, but these juices taste fantastic. If you're looking to get healthy, Squeeze.com is a perfect option.
Yeah, listen, if you want to lose